I really finessed this style, so please continue watching to see. So I took 2 little parts in the front. As you see, mine are too small. So I separated it and I put gel on each strand, coated it with gel. And then I used my iTip applicators to actually add my texture hair but longer. So I haven't dropped the iTip video yet. I used them a long time ago. I need to drop it. But with iTips, it's basically like extensions without like the track. So it's like a bead, pliers. It's just a whole little kit. I'm gonna give you guys the whole kit down below, and then I'm also gonna tell you guys where I got it from. I got it from Better Length Hair. I have mine in 3B 3C texture, so yes. I love the iTips. The only issue was like my hair should have been a little longer, or the iTip should have been a little shorter, but you'll find that out in the other video. So yeah, I applied the iTip and then I started twisting, trying to make sure everything was like together. And then like at the last minute, I started realizing like the twist wasn't really working by itself. So I just added more gel, and the gel I used was Gots to Be glue. So the Gots to Be glue actually made it a little too hard because I put too much on it, but it worked for what the purpose was. So I basically just put the gel on the tips of my fingers and just twisted my hair around the little bead as well as the strand of hair. Just keep twisting, just keep twisting. What do? We twist, twist. Ha 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 ha. I love to twist it, twist it. Y'all don't know that. It's from Nemo, but it's like just keep swimming. Yeah, you know? Okay, well, yeah, okay, bye. After these were finished, I slicked my hair back, and then I decided to add the other iTips onto my ponytail to make it bigger. So I just used these iTips and like basically put them in a scrunchie to make them like, you know, stick together. And then I just used another scrunchie and pulled everything through and just made the biggest bun possible without making stuff slip. So that part I can't really necessarily explain because as you see, I was struggling, but I just kept tucking and tucking and tucking until hair was no longer out. And that helped a lot. So yeah, look at my bun bun. At the bun bun. The bun bun. Oh, oh, whoa, whoa. No, at the... Oh, just like, no, okay, I'm gonna stop. But yeah, so tuck, 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 tuck. And yeah, like that was pretty much it. I tried to leave some little straggling ones out, but that wasn't working. I tried to make it a little cuter, but it was just like, okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. I didn't really do much. I tried to make this style as simple as possible. My cousin actually suggested the style, but I really didn't know how I was gonna achieve it without hair. So these iTips really came through. Check out Better Length Hair for more, and I'm definitely gonna drop the iTips video. I'm probably actually gonna get some more and do a whole new video for you guys. But thank you guys.